is coming, and it's the end of the season for the garden. But you can see that there are still a few peppers. Still a few peppers that I can pick before I put the garden to bed for the winter. Okay, I'm doing my detailed outline, and these peppers are my supporting points. Got 1, 2, and 3. Now I could just throw them into my detailed outline, but I might want to think a little bit. Which one do I want to start with, continue, and end with? Very common. Students start with the best supporting point, maybe the one that is the strongest because it has the most evidence, and then less strong and weakest. But I've also seen people organize them from the weakest to the strongest. I just want you to think about the order a little bit when you're doing your detailed outline, not just throwing the supporting points into the outline. Here is my supporting point, my claim, my argument. It's not very stable. I don't know whether to believe it or not. Here, let's give it some evidence. At least one piece of evidence will make it a little more believable, but not enough. It still can roll off. 2 pieces of evidence is going to make it much more stable. You need at least 2 pieces of evidence for every supporting point. If you want to, you can have 3 pieces of evidence. They will work together to help persuade the reader that this supporting point is more believable. Why? Why do you need more than 1? Well, if you only have 1, it's not as trustworthy. This evidence might be from a bad source. It might not be from an expert. But if you have 2 or 3 sources saying the same thing, I am much more likely to believe your supporting point. It becomes more persuasive.